Alright guys, Georgia Jim. Got this Evva DPI padlock. Got this courtesy of Set Clues. Very generous gift. Very much appreciated. Thank you, buddy. Alright. Let's see if we can get this thing picked. I haven't picked it yet. I did pick out a tensioner to use just to save some time. I'm going to use this little champion tensioner, if I can get it in there. There we go. All right. One is loose. I think I felt something on two. I wasn't sure. Okay, there it was. 3, 4, 5. One's binding. All right, got a little false set there. Nothing on 2. Counter rotation on 3. 4. Okay, and there's something in here. I don't think the lock will open yet. No. Okay. There's something in here somewhere. A little pin on the side. I need to Where are you at? I can find it. Let's stick a little flag in there. There we go. So, there's a little something in there to turn back. But that's it. I'm probably going to fiddle with it to get it locked back. So I'll do that off camera. Thanks again, Set Clues. Very cool lock, and I really appreciate it. All right, thanks.